Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Is your PlayStation 5 refusing to power up? It can be really frustrating when your gaming console acts up. But don't worry, we're going to walk through some common fixes that often get things running again. Let's start with the absolute basics, making sure everything is connected as it should be. These initial steps are surprisingly effective for many users. Your power supply is the heart of your PS5 operation. Make sure that power cable is not just plugged in, but really snug. Sometimes, a slightly loose connection is the whole problem. And remember to test different wall outlets, ensuring your power source is reliable. If you have another compatible cable, swapping it out can quickly identify if your current one is causing trouble. Sometimes, your console just needs a deeper reset to clear things out. A full power cycle, where you unplug it completely for a minute or more, can often do the trick. If that doesn't work, holding the power button down on the console itself can force a shutdown or even bring you into safe mode. This mode gives you some repair options that might just solve your problem. Overheating can actually stop your PS5 from turning on to prevent damage. So, make sure your console has plenty of room to breathe, especially around its vents. Regularly giving those vents a gentle clean, perhaps with some compressed air, can prevent dust buildup. Good airflow is essential for your PS5 long-term health and ensures it can power up properly. If you've tried all these steps and your PS5 still won't turn on, it might be time for more drastic measures, like a factory reset or even reinstalling the system software. These options are available through safe mode, but be cautious with your data. Ultimately, if these deep dives don't help, reaching out to official PlayStation support is your best next step for expert help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.